At long last, the battle has ended. Hey! Yo, hello, what's good, lovely people out there? This is your boy Minati for real. Anytime you see me, just remember it's all about promoting Ghana to Ghanaians and to the world through travel and tourism. I'm currently at Liklebi Agbesia in the Volta region, and the location for today is Aflabo Waterfalls. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Can't wait to show you guys around. So stay tuned.
Unstoppable, Agamana, Lupchen Agamana, yeah. Oh Lord of mercy, oh Lord of mercy, oh Lord of mercy.
Yeah, but what I like about this place is that I've been hiking for the past, let's say, 15 minutes, and the cocoa trees have provided like a shade, so I'm not really feeling any difficulty. Wow.
G's come but me still capable. No matter the stardom and still stay humble. I know life is a jungle, but me gon' win like Royal Rumble. Believe in yourself, never fumble. Remember if you stay away from trouble. Front of me enemy just set a table and make all of them disable. Kunsani ban so major I don't kulu the stuff.
Charlie, unfortunately, when I arrived here, the tourist center was closed, so I got someone from the community who gave me the directions, and he's very shy. He's shy like me. He doesn't want to come on camera. So unfortunately, I don't have much history to share, but I think it's all about enjoying the view, and that's what I'm about. So I can't wait to show you guys the place. Hey, hey, please, are you bringing me some cassavas? I'm very hungry. Okay, have a nice evening.
Okay, you're welcome.
Anytime I'm visiting places like this, I normally just like to show you guys the hiking trail so that you know what to expect.
Bandu tough time never last of people do. When one the closest, another hope.
The journey is not always easy, but as usual, we always come, we see, and we conquer.
I will still fly even when my wings are broken. At the music, hotter than the oven. Like a lion, man, I still stay walking. Come in here, call, but few are chosen. A new generation, and me are the Moses. Big up every youth where I try and dose me. I see the realness over fakeness. We do this with no sympathy, cause bad mind not showing no empathy. My music, it a go reach Kentucky. Few years time, me a go win Grammy. The people we want see me up, are the same people we want see me down. Oh, my strength only come from.
Wow, I can hear the sound of the waterfall. It means I'm getting closer. Yeah, so unfortunately, time is not on my side. It's almost 6 p.m. It's getting dark, and trust me, I'm really tired. Really tired. So um, I can see there's a cave which I have to pass through to get to the waterfalls itself. Wow. Trust me, I have nothing left in me. I'm really exhausted. At long last, the battle has ended. Hey! Ah,
Yeah, you are made.
I made it.
Yeah,
I made it. I made it. I made it. Ah,
congratulations.
thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, so I present to you Aflabo Waterfalls. I'm really tired, but after just seeing this view right behind me, I've just regained a new strength, Charlie. Ghana is really beautiful. Well, just check out the view. Just check out the view. I don't want to talk much. Check out the view. Wow. Yeah. So what I love about this place is it gives that cave vibe. You get to enjoy caves. Like you pass through caves, and then you get to do a little hiking. And then I learned there is a pool. The waterfall has formed a pool, but like I said earlier, time is beating me. Like it's getting past 6 p.m. So I don't know if I'll be able to reach there. So I recommend when you are coming here, you should just try and leave home as early as possible so that you can get as much time to enjoy nature, just like I'm doing. But unfortunately, I'll be spending a short time here because the trail was really kind of dangerous at one part. Yeah, the trail was really dangerous at one part. So I prefer to leave now while there's light. Hey guys, so all too soon we've come to the end of another episode. The name is Minati Foro, and anytime you hear the name, simply remember it's all about promoting Ghana to Ghanaians and to the world through travel and tourism. Aflabo Waterfalls is the name of the location once again. So I'll entreat everyone out there to add this place to their destinations to visit. And trust me, you are going to have a great time and have a wonderful view of nature. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and follow my page, Minati Foro. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll be more than glad to assist you. I'll see you when I see you. I'm out. Time is not on our side. But I want to see if I can get a shot of the pool for you guys. Wow.